In this session, I will be discussing about volume of sphere. So here I will be deriving the volume of sphere, the formula of volume of sphere with the support of two formula. One is volume of cone, that is you know already, it is 1 by 3 pi r square h, and next the surface area of sphere, that is 4 pi r square. So these two formula I need to derive the volume of sphere. So for that you have to see a model. If you look at this model, this sphere, if you look at this sphere is made up of cones of same height. Look at this model. Here you can see it is full of cones, and all the cones are of same height. See, if you look at the cross section, clearly you can see that all are cones. So now, among these, one of the cone, consider one of the cone, this cone's height is the radius of the sphere, and all these cones base area all together will form the surface area of the sphere. See, all the base area together, it will be formed the surface area of the sphere. So with the support of this solid model, I am going to derive the volume of sphere. So I can say that volume of sphere is equal to sum of volumes of cones. Volume of sphere is equal to sum of volumes of cones. So if I use the notation, volume of sphere, I am writing Vs, and volume of the first cone V1, and second cone V2, third cone V3, and plus etc. So therefore I can write Vs is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus etc. Now this V1 stands for what? Volume of the first cone, and we know the volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h, and if you look at all these cones, radius are different, but all the cones are of height is same. All the cones are of height same, but the radius are different. So I will take the radius of the cones like R1, R2, R3, R4, etc. Therefore, the V1 I can replace with 1 by 3 pi R1 square h plus V2 1 by 3 pi R2 square h plus 1 by 3 pi R3 square h plus etc. Now if you look at all these right hand side, 1 by 3 h is common, so I am taking that out. So it is h by 3 is out. Inside the bracket, pi R1 square plus pi R2 square plus pi R3 square plus etc. Now this pi R1 square stands for base area of cone. So all the base area if I add, we will get the surface area of the sphere. So naturally that whole long sum we can replace with the surface area of sphere, that is 4 pi r square. So the formula become h by 3 into 4 pi r square. Again this h stands for height of the cone, and height of the cone is same as the radius of the sphere. So therefore h I can replace with again radius of the sphere. So the formula become r by 3 into 4 pi r square. So again one more step, if you go ahead, it become 4 by 3 pi r cube, that is the formula of volume of sphere.